thank you for joining us. Avolites' latest consoles, the T3, the D7 and the D9, are proving to be some of the most successful consoles in Avolites' rich 49-year history. The T-Series, built for travel, utilises your laptop or tablet to provide the processing and screen to run our powerful Titan software. The T3 form factor has received great feedback, packing in a lot of front panel controls in a very small footprint. The D-Series, our Diamond collection, has everything you need built in, running our Titan software and capture visualization natively on the console. Well, today we're launching the best of both worlds, the power and standalone nature of the D-Series with the portability of the T-Series. But today is not a single product launch. Today, we're launching 5 products, which we call the D3, and we can't wait to introduce them to you. D3 is designed to be flexible, accessible, and cost-effective. And, as with all Avolites products, D3 is powered by Titan, meaning that users can learn the software once and use it anywhere. So, first, let me introduce you to the D3 110. This is the D3 110 and we can't wait to tell you all about it. So to do just that, let me hand you over to Tim.
So this is D3 110. It is a compact, self-contained design for tours, installs, rental fleets, and anywhere where space is tight. It is tough, reliable, and fully featured, so it's exactly what you would expect from a console of the Diamond range. It has the same keypad as a T3, and otherwise the button layout is a reduced version of the one of the D7 and D9. On top of the buttons you will find 3 metal encoders. These ones are our new Avolites encoders. And on top of that you will find a bright, flush-mounted touchscreen. Next to the touchscreen you can see we got the function keys, we got a port for your desk lamp, the on-off toggle, and a USB-C port for your USB sticks to transfer show files. The whole console is a standalone, no laptop required solution. So that means it's perfect for schools, volunteer organizations, or churches, or any other install where something is put permanently. So let's talk about what's on the back of the D3 110. You will find a lockable True 1 power connector, the option to plug in an external monitor via DisplayPort, 3 more Type A ports USB on the back, 2 network cards on Ethercon connectors, an audio output, an audio input, and also a timecode input option. Next to that, of course, you got your 4 DMX outputs. From now on, you can freely assign your DMX universes between a number of 1 and 9,999. Before, there was a limitation of 1 through 64. So this makes handling your show file very easy when you're going to different environments like festivals, for example. In addition to that, there's also a little bit of comfort improvement because whenever you add a new line, this line automatically gets an ArtNet output and a streaming ACN output, and the universe of these outputs will be automatically set to the number of the line that you patched. In addition to that, we've also upgraded the capture engine in Titan version 19. So any console that is running Titan version 19 will run that new engine. So overall, that means D3 110 is the perfect fit for small to medium venues that need proper control on-site, all in one unit. And with that, back to John.
Thanks, Tim. We're so excited to get D3 into your hands as quickly as possible. And so we'll be shipping the first D3 110 consoles to end users in just a couple of months' time. And this is the first product of the 5 that we're launching today. The second product is just as exciting because we think there's a need for something smaller, something lighter, and something even more affordable than the D3 110. Introducing the D3 010. To tell you all about it, let me hand over to Sarah.
D3 010 supports an external touchscreen using USB-C or DisplayPort. Using USB-C, it gives power and control to your external monitor via a single cable. The D3 010 also has the exact same panel as the D3 110 and the T3. It also features our brand new metal Avo encoders, and you get the latest capture visualization software built in. Supporting up to 8 universes, the D3010 is perfect for smaller applications, and it performs right out of the case. Portable, lightweight, and powerful, the D3010 is Avolite's smallest standalone console to date. Just add a monitor and you're ready to go.
Thanks, Sarah. D3010 will start shipping in the new year, in the first couple months of 2026. The 10 in the D3010 and the D3110 signifies that each console has 10 faders. But for those times where you'd like even more hands-on control, we're introducing the D3 Wing. Let's hand back over to Sarah.
The D3 Wing is the perfect expansion of your lighting setup, giving you more hands-on control. With 20 additional playbacks and 30 additional executor buttons, it's compatible with both the D3110 and the D3010. The D3 Wing, more faders, more flexibility.
So here are the first 3 products, and we still have 2 more to go. We've taken the core of these D3 consoles to create a format suitable for installation and rack mount purposes, and we're introducing the D3 Core. And to tell you all about it, I'm going to hand back over to Tim.
So this is D3 Core. It is built for fixed installs or remote control setups. It is just 1 unit tall, so fits nearly anywhere. And for standalone projects, it's perfect for theaters, architectural projects inside and out, or automated shows, like in theme parks or experiences. As a remote controlled surface or setup, you could use the D3 Core at your stage where all your connections are happening. So you got all your network and DMX connections at the stage, so you can put your D3 Core in there and then control it from any console via multi-user mode anywhere else in the venue. This gives you great flexibility because then at your front of house, you just need 1 network cable and you can control your whole show from anywhere in the venue, while all your connections stay where you need them with D3 Core. In that mode, D3 Core will take care of all the processing, so everything will happen on the D3 Core, while your console is just your remote surface. Next, let's talk about the I/O of D3 Core. On the front, you will find 2 USB ports, one Type A and one Type C. The Type A and Type C port can be used in any way that you want. You could connect a mouse, a keyboard, or flash drives to upload show files, download show files, or take new personality updates or software updates to the D3 Core. In addition to that, you can plug in an external monitor to it. And that external monitor will get power, video, and data from that one USB-C port. And you will still have the Type A port available for your mouse, keyboard, a T3, or any of the other fader wings that we offer. On the back of the D3 Core, we got a true 1 lockable connector for power. Then we got an external monitor connector via DisplayPort. This one can only be used if you're not going to use the front one via Type C. We got 2 more Type A on the back and 2 network cards on the back. 4 DMX outputs, and for external triggering options, we got a timecode input and a manual trigger option. So that's D3 Core. All the power of Titan compressed into a 1U rack. And with that, I'm giving it back to John.
D3 Core will start shipping after the new year, in the first couple months of 2026. Our final product is designed for venues where a D3 console or D3 Core is permanently installed. These are situations where you want simple replay of pre-stored states without needing a fully trained tech to be available. This could be house light or working light control. It could be triggering different lighting and video on the facade of your venue. Or it could be playing different states for the drama lesson or other daytime booking. Or even triggering the start of a reoccurring automated show. For these scenarios, we're introducing the D3 Touch. These customers don't want to pay heavy commissioning rates every time they want something changed. And they want to utilize the power of Titan, not have a completely independent system that works completely differently to the software they already know. So with D3 Touch, There's no configuration on the touchscreen itself. It pulls everything from Titan. So if you already know how to program a Titan console, you already know how to program D3 Touch. As you program things on Titan, the buttons will appear on the touchscreen. The button labels are pulled from the Titan Legends, and the text colour is pulled from the Titan Halo colour. Along the top, we have 4 zones. These are pulled directly from Titan's playback groups. And within each zone, we have up to 8 scenes. These are pulled directly from Titan's playbacks. We also have access to 8 macros that can be used to change almost everything you would want to change. And lastly, we can access the lock screen and the lock code. Again, all pulled directly from Titan. D3 Touch will start shipping in the new year, in the first couple months of 2026. And D3 Touch will work with any Titan console, not just those within the D3 range. And for those larger and more demanding installation projects, we've partnered with Artistic License, who have a range of products, including Art Core and Art Play, that will work seamlessly with Titan. So, there we have it. 5 products and 1 flexible Titan system. D3010. Access powerful Titan control in our smallest ever portable console. Powered by Titan, the D3010 supports 8 universes without a laptop. Just add a monitor and you're ready to go. Built for live environments, the D3010 is compact, tough, travel ready, and performs straight out of the case. D3 Wing adds extra faders and buttons to your setup, gives you more physical control for live playback, cue stacking, and fast programming. Plug it in, extend your control, and stay hands-on during every show. D3110 with a built-in touchscreen and more processing power. The D3110 is ready for bigger shows and tighter schedules. Powered by Titan in a compact, self-contained design that fits into any tour, install, or rental fleet. D3 Core, a 1U rack-mounted processor that runs Titan as a standalone controller. It's built for fixed installs, remote control setups, and situations where space is tight, but you need reliable Avolites control. And finally, D3 Touch, a pre-configured installation touchscreen interface for remotely controlling Titan. It's designed for venues and installations where operators need simple, reliable access to key functions, from show playback to house light presets. Fully integrated with Titan, it's plug and play. It's responsive and easy to use, even for non-technical staff. We hope you like what you've seen. This is our most lightweight, compact and versatile Titan setup to date.
To see it in person, visit us at an upcoming trade show or contact your local distributor.
Thank you for joining us.